In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal security challenge issue step by step in a simple way that anyone can follow. If PayPal keeps asking you to verify your identity, confirm a code, or complete a security check every time you log in, don't worry. This usually happens because PayPal detects unusual activity, a new device, or a different internet connection. First, make sure you are logging in from a trusted device and network. Avoid using VPNs or public Wi-Fi because PayPal may block or challenge those connections. Next, open PayPal in a web browser instead of the mobile app. Sometimes the challenge is easier to complete on the website. Now, log in to your PayPal account. When the security challenge appears, carefully follow the on-screen steps. This may include entering a code sent to your email or phone number or confirming recent activity on your account. If PayPal asks for phone verification, make sure your phone number is correct and active. If you don't receive the code, wait a few minutes and try again. After that, check your account information. Go to Settings, then Security, and confirm that your email address and phone number are verified. If the security challenge keeps looping or fails every time, clear your browser cache and cookies, then try logging in again. As a last step, contact PayPal support. Go to the Help section, choose Contact Us, and explain that you are stuck in a security challenge loop. They can manually verify your account and remove the restriction. And that's how you fix the PayPal security challenge issue. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.